Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a casting profile that stands out, so pick 3 defining traits and a one-line hook that hooks fast. Record a 30-second candid clip showing personality in action. Make sure lighting and audio are clear. Once done, upload 3 headshots: smiling, intense, and full body. Fill every field on the official application and answer open prompts with specific, memorable stories that reveal strategy, relationships, and conflict style. Casting wants vivid examples, not vague claims. You now craft the audition tape to sell both personality and gameplay. Start within 5 seconds with your hook and name, then quickly show 2 concrete anecdotes, one about a strategic move and one about social influence, each with clear outcomes. Mix energy shifts, laughter, intensity, reflection, to demonstrate range. Make sure transitions are tight and visuals support the story. Once those scenes are done, finish with a confident, specific line about why you belong on the show, then export high-quality MP4. You finalize the process by expanding reach and staying ready. Go to local casting calls, join virtual open call events, and network politely with other applicants and past contestants for insight. Prepare 10 sharp, quick answers to likely casting questions and rehearse them naturally so you pivot well in interviews. After submission, follow up with casting emails only when appropriate and check application portals for missing items. If your materials are rejected, resubmit corrected items promptly and ask for specific feedback to fix gaps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.